Hello all and welcome back. I'm Danielle and this is Celeste, and we have with us Lindsay from Sexplanations.
Hello!
So we have a new series where we invite people onto our show and we ask them about their core desires and their hottest sexual movie.
I would say the feeling is hunger. Like I keep getting it really good. I want more. Can I handle more? I don't know if I can handle more. I want more.
And so what's something that a lover does to you or you do to a lover that kind of gives you that feeling reliably? Like if your favorite
goodness,
thing.
Celeste.
I just love to see you blush. It's so awesome.
Yeah. So what does a lover do to me?
Mm-hmm.
And then there's this move, kind of like the move where you grab me, where he'll go in for my ass and my back. Like I know that this is his move to get results. So he's saying like, I'm going to give it to you. And then I'm, oh my God, I don't know. Can I take it? Okay, here we go.
Yeah. Oh, it almost feels like you're like getting onto some roller coaster ride.
Yeah.
You're like, whee!
Yeah, and it feels like love too, as far as feelings. It feels like, oh gosh, this person really wants to
give it
please
to you, please
me.
you.
Yeah.
That really makes you feel loved and taken care of.
Yeah.
I just love the face that you did because it like was so descriptive of what you want to feel inside. It's like, will I be able to take it? Will I be able to do it? It's like, oh my God.
Oh gosh, now I gotta go. Did I do it?
Oh yeah, you totally did it.
Have I poured my desire?
Yeah, it's really awesome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bearing your beautiful sexual soul to us.
Thank you. I like knowing because then I can go and put it into action.
I know, we're just thinking like now people can just send them their Celeste and
Their
Danielle
clips.
video.
I know. Like a shortcut.
do
You know
this
what turns
for
me
me.
on? Check this out.
If our viewers want more of you, where can they find you?
Sexplanations on YouTube, and we have a podcast and a service project where we drive around the country in an RV.
If you liked what you saw, subscribe to our channel, and we can't wait to see more of you.
Bye!